IIM Shillong hosted its 14th annual convocation on Sunday, with 5 doctoral scholars conferred PhD degree, whereas 238 students from PGP 2021-23 batch, 43 students from PGPX batch of 2022-23, 16 students from PGPWE 2020-22, and 47 students from PGPWE 2021-23 batch were conferred with MBA degrees. The event was graced by Rajeev Chandr, Union Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, as the chief guest through virtual mode, and Gaurav Swarup, Co-Chairman and Managing Director of Paharpur Cooling Towers Limited, as the guest of honor. While delivering the convocation address, Rajeev Chandr said that India has been fortunate to have been globally growing. While many countries are grappling with recession and other challenges, India continues to grow and emerge as a global leader. King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuck